Gonna give you guys a quick tour of this house. Let's go. Now, if you haven't seen it in the shop with Tom's last video, he is fixing somebody's messed up drywall. Well, I got a call over the weekend to come fix somebody's texture. So here we go. Come into the house. You got a master bedroom. You got kitty room. This is really an office. But look at that gun safe. Settlement cracks. And there's your knockdown texture. That's what we got in Florida. I know you guys rock smooth ceilings up there, but we rock knockdown. That's just what everybody likes. And then smooth walls somewhat. A little orange peel on them. But yep. Gotta fix the settlement cracks. Got a cool tray ceiling here, right? Yeah, gotta fix all these cracks. I'm gonna show you somebody's real handiwork in a second. The owner had these cracks pop up. There was already some cracks, all right, that developed, and he had somebody else fix them. I'm getting ready to show you those. Look at that bad job. Can you believe somebody did that? And look, the cracks come right back. The whole ceiling. He told the owner, you'll never see the difference once it's painted. Right. Look at that. This is what gives guys like me bad names. People going around doing hack jobs. That texture don't match, not even remotely close. So I'm gonna come through, I'm gonna fix this guy's mistakes, refix all these cracks. The gentleman's gonna pay dearly, but it's not my fault. Kind of a specialty job. Look at that. He fixed that, right? What in the hell? Terrible. People are terrible. Just don't do the work if you can't do it right. I'm gonna make it look the best I can. It's gonna look really well. For the average person walking through here that's never seen this, will never know. Now, on to the garage. This client don't even live here, but he has a Hummer in his 5-car garage. It's all pretty neat stuff. Just figured I'd show you. Client's got about everything, even a unicycle. How about that? So, we're going to be fixing the ceilings out here. All the tape joints need to come down. So, every single one of them, every tape joint in the garage, you can see them. This entire garage needs to be retaped, mudded, and textured and painted. What's through here, you ask? More motorcycles and toys. I'm not a motorcycle guy, but Boy, oh boy. Motorcycles and jet skis. He had all this added on to his original house. Pretty cool. The guy don't even live here in town. But he's got motorcycles and Hummers, jet skis, just chilling here. He's got everything down to his underwear in his bedroom drawer. So, yeah, that's nice. What is that? Street Glide. Anyway, yeah, here's the tape joints. We're gonna fix all this for this guy. I'll try to do me a update video when it's all said and done. Probably won't be after till New Year. I'm gonna try to get what I can done. Today is Tuesday the 18th, I think. So I'm not working too much between now and Christmas. I'm not working too much between Christmas and New Year, but I'm gonna get what I can done in the next few days. Get all the prep work done and so forth. All right, guys, thanks.